Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to Mr. Perfect English Podcasts.
Hello, my name is David. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Perfect English, your happy place to learn English with confidence. You know, David, every time we start a new episode, I get excited all over again. It feels like we're just chatting with a bunch of friends.
Let me ask you something when someone says, "Tell me about yourself." Do you freeze? Don't worry. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to talk about yourself easily and naturally, just like a native speaker. So, grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning step by step. I get the same feeling, Emma. There's something special about connecting with people who actually want to learn and have fun while doing it. Makes me smile every time.
And speaking of connecting, before we jump in, I always have to remind everyone, please subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that like button. It seriously helps us keep making these episodes.
And if you know anyone who's learning English, definitely share our podcast with them. The more, the merrier. Okay, so Emma, what's our big topic for today?
I love this part. Our topic is one that pops up everywhere. Tell me about yourself. It sounds simple, but a lot of people get stuck.
Oh, for sure. I think everyone's had that moment, new class, new job, even meeting someone at a party, suddenly you have to describe yourself, and your mind just goes blank.
Totally. So today, we're making it easy. We'll show you what to say, step by step. How about you go first, David? Let's walk everyone through it.
All right, here goes. The classic opener. My name is David, D-A-V-I-D. Simple, right?
Perfect. And I'm Emma. Now it's your turn, listeners. Say your name out loud. See? Not so scary. So after names, I always wonder, where are you from? I feel like that question says a lot about a person.
Definitely. I'm from the United States, but I actually grew up in a small town. It's super quiet, and honestly, I love that peace.
That's so different from my life. I'm from Canada, and I live in the middle of a big, noisy city. It's busy, but I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Funny how where we live shapes our routines. And then there's family, like, do you have siblings? It always makes the story more interesting.
Oh, for sure. I have a brother named Tom. He's a year older and basically my best advisor. What about you, David? Talking about family always leads me to ask, what do you do? People light up when they talk about their passions.
Couldn't agree more. I teach English and I really love it. There's something about helping people find their voice in a new language.
Teaching is such a rewarding job. I'm a student myself, studying art. My happiest moments are usually spent with a paintbrush in hand or a sketchbook on my desk.
I admire that creative energy, Emma, and hobbies just add another layer. For me, it's listening to old rock music and playing soccer with friends. That mix keeps life interesting.
I totally get that. My weekends are for painting and reading adventure stories. It's amazing how much you can learn about someone from what they love to do in their free time. Now, here's a fun twist, sharing your favorite things and even things you don't like. That's what makes an introduction memorable.
I'm with you. Like, I love pizza, especially with lots of veggies. But olives? Nope, can't do it. My dog Max, though, would eat anything.
Haha, that's hilarious. I'm definitely more of a pasta and cat person. Luna, my cat, sleeps all day, but she brings so much calm into my busy city life.
See, it's those little details, your favorite food, your pet's personality that really help people feel like they know you. And it makes "tell me about yourself" way less scary.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to mix in your likes and dislikes. It turns a boring answer into a real conversation starter. I find the best introductions are simple and friendly. You don't need to list your life story, just a few fun facts.
That's a great point. If I'm in a class, I might say, "My name is David. I'm from the US, and I love learning new things." At a party, it's more like, "Hi, I'm David. I play soccer and love rock music."
Right, and you can always choose what fits the moment. Sometimes all it takes is a smile and a little detail to get people talking.
You know, thinking of introductions as invitations to connect really changes your whole attitude. Suddenly it's not pressure, it's just sharing a piece of yourself.
So listeners, now it's your turn. Go ahead and practice in the comments. Tell us your name, where you're from, or your favorite hobby, anything at all.
We can't wait to read your introductions. And remember, keep it simple and friendly. There's no perfect answer, just your story.
And never forget the power of a smile, even if it's just in your voice. Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
You did it! You can now introduce yourself confidently in English. Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection. So, try to use these sentences every day. Speak with your friends, classmates, or even in front of a mirror.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. Perfect English for more fun lessons. And don't forget to comment below. I can talk about myself. Thank you for watching, my friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.